In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a tax rate fast and easy. If you're using WooCommerce on your WordPress site, managing tax rates might seem a bit tricky at first. But by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to start at your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side, where you'll find a menu. From this menu, click on WooCommerce. This is the powerful plugin you're using to handle your online store. WooCommerce comes packed with features and tools to help you manage your sales. And managing tax rates effectively ensures you remain compliant with regional tax laws, which is crucial for smooth business operations. The next step is to find Settings. Once you click on WooCommerce, a drop-down or a series of options should appear. Within these options, locate and click on Settings. Now within the Settings area, you'll see various tabs at the top. Go ahead and click on the Tax tab. If you don't see this tab, make sure that tax rates and calculations are enabled. You're enabled within the general settings of WooCommerce. Once you're in the Tax section, you'll have various options regarding how taxes are calculated and displayed. For now, focus on Standard Rates. Click on it. And what you have now is a table format that lists your current tax rates. This format allows you to easily view, insert, and edit tax rates directly in a user-friendly table format. Now, if you want to modify an existing tax rate or add a new one, look for the Insert Row option. By clicking that, you can enter specifics like the country or state code. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with different tax requirements across locations. Keeping your entries organized helps ensure accurate tax calculations for your customers. Next, you'll want to ensure all necessary details are up to date. Enter your city, if applicable, and then update the rate itself. This can all be done in the respective fields in the table. WooCommerce allows for a lot of flexibility, so whether it's a minor change or a substantial update, you have the tools right here. Additionally, you can modify further details, like the tax name or even change priorities if you're dealing with more than one tax rate. Remember, if taxes apply differently based on shipping, or if they're compounded with others, you can configure those settings as well. These details ensure you're charging the correct amount depending on the purchase conditions. Once you've made all your changes, it is crucial to scroll down and find the Save Changes button. Click this, and just like that, your tax rate updates are finalized. It's a simple step, but a critical one to ensure your changes take effect. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your tax rates, ensuring everything is up to date and accurately reflected on your store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made your tax management a little less stressful.